Do you feel confused about how to start a conversation in English? Don't worry. Today, you will learn simple and natural ways to start talking. Hey, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great. All right, let's start simple. When you meet someone, you can say hi or hello.
Then you can ask, how are you?
Now you try.
So, what are you doing?
I'm just working and practicing English.
That's nice. Now let's continue the conversation. You can ask, what are you doing?
Say it with me.
To answer, you can say, I'm working, I'm studying,
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, nice. Now let's add one more question. You can ask, where are you from?
Now you try. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
To sound friendly, you can say, it was nice talking to you.
Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you.
Now let's talk like real friends.
By the way, how is everyone at home?
Everyone is good. How about your family?
They're doing well. And how is your wife?
She is doing great. Thank you for asking.
That's good to hear. Where are you working these days?
I'm working in a private company.
Oh, nice. Since when?
It's been almost 2 years now.
That's great.
What is your job role?
I work in sales.
That sounds interesting. What about your salary package?
It's decent. I'm learning and growing.
That's good. Growth is important. How do you feel working there?
Honestly, sometimes it feels good, but sometimes stressful.
Yes, that's normal. Do you remember what you wanted to become in childhood?
Yes, I wanted to do something big, maybe start my own business.
Same here. Life goes in a different direction sometimes.
Yes, now everything feels different from what we planned.
How is your mother?
She's doing well.
And your father? Is he still working?
No, he has stopped working now.
Oh, okay. That's understandable. What are you planning for the future?
Honestly, I'm thinking about starting a business.
That's great.
Yes, I don't really like doing a job forever.
I understand. Doing your own business gives freedom. So, what kind of business are you thinking about?
I'm still exploring ideas. Maybe something online.
That's smart.
Now let's practice some important questions.
You can ask, how is everyone at home?
How is your wife?
Where are you working?
How long have you been working there?
How do you feel working there? Now you try. Let's repeat some answers.
Everyone is good.
She is doing great.
I'm working in a company.
It's been 2 years.
I feel good, but sometimes stressed.
Repeat after me. Now let's do a full conversation practice.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great.
What are you doing these days?
I'm working and learning English.
How is everyone at home?
Everyone is good. How is your wife?
She is doing great.
Where are you working?
I'm working in a company.
How long have you been working there?
It's been 2 years.
How do you feel working there?
Sometimes good, sometimes stressful. What are your future plans?
I want to start a business.
That's great. Remember, speaking English is not about perfection.
It's about practice.
Speak slowly, speak daily, and don't be afraid.
Now say this with me.
I can speak English.
Again.
I can speak English. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Take care.
Bye. If you want to speak English confidently,
Practice with this video every day.
let's learn together.